Chapter 8, number 1, it says to simplify the radical expression here. So we can break down the radical 108 into some perfect squares. Let's see. Can 16 go into 108? Okay. Nope. Let's see. 36. 108 divided by 36. Yep, that does work. So I see that 108 can be broken down into 36 times 3. Now they go into their own radical. Radical 36 times radical 3. Radical 36 can be broken down into just 6. Nothing happens to that radical 3. Let's look at B. We can leave that 4 in front, but 48 can be broken down into 16 times 3. We can now split it into their own radical. Radical 16 times radical 3. Radical 16 becomes a 4. And we leave that radical 3 by itself. 4 times 4 is 16. Then that radical 3. Next, C. Here, what you can't have is having a radical on the bottom. So we can multiply the top by radical 6 and the bottom by radical 6. This is not changing anything. All we are doing is multiplying by the number 1 essentially. The top simplifies to radical 6. The bottom becomes radical 6 times radical 6, which is radical 36. Then that simplifies to just a 6. You can leave this as the answer. 1 over radical 6 is the same thing as radical 6 over 6. So there you go. That is how you simplify the radical expression.